Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today I'm making a very popular Indo-Chinese recipe that's street style chicken manchow soup. The ingredients are very simple for this. I've used assorted bell peppers, about 3/4 cup. If you are using only green, please add half a cup, and half cup chopped carrots and half a cup of very finely chopped cabbage, half tablespoon chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon each chopped ginger and garlic. Chicken boneless 250 grams, salt and pepper to taste, and I've used a chicken stock cube that's optional. Sesame seed oil about 4 tablespoons, chopped coriander about 2 to 3 tablespoons, chopped spring onions, 2 teaspoons soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So these are the ingredients. Apart from this, I'll be using egg and corn flour slurry. To begin making this recipe, let's add in the sesame seed oil, or you can use any vegetable oil as well. But the sesame seed oil gives a very nice flavor to the Chinese cuisine. Let's add in the chopped ginger, garlic and the green chili. Please add the green chilies to your taste. I've cut the boneless chicken lengthwise and they are a little bigger. You can even make the chicken pieces smaller if you like. We'll fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll add in the chopped veggies. This is a very quick method. If you're using the chicken stock, you don't have to use the stock cube. Instead, you boil the chicken breast in about half a liter of water for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then you can use the chicken along with the stock for this recipe. If you are not using the stock, this is a very quick method. I've just added the chicken pieces and then added the chicken stock cube and water. So we'll boil this for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still have not, and please like and share my videos if you do like them. I've closed the lid and cooked it for about 5 minutes. I've boiled the chicken for 5 minutes and now we'll proceed with the next step. Let's add in the soy sauce. I've used 2 teaspoons. You can add up to 2 tablespoons. Salt and pepper to taste, because the stock cube also has salt and the soy sauce also has sauce in it. So please add it accordingly. This is one of the very popular soups from the Chinese cuisine, and it has its own flavors and the Indian touch to it. I've added the vinegar and this egg. First, it gives the thickening effect to the soup. It acts as a thickener. So we'll first add in the whole egg and briskly whisk it so that it gets cooked, and then we'll add in the corn flour slurry. I've used 2 teaspoons of corn flour in about 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well so that there are no lumps. Add it to the soup and mix it well and allow it to cook for a minute. Lastly, let's add in the chopped coriander. This is the final touch to the chicken manchow soup. So the Indo-Chinese manchow chicken soup is ready to be served. If you wanted the vegetarian recipe, you can follow the same by just omitting the chicken. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please serve it with fried noodles.